Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And in this time, my group will present you a presentation about my ISAS. And the title of my ISAS is Cloud Security. Okay, my name is Rizky Nugraha. And my friend will continue about the presentation is Bayu Kurniawan. Okay, we go to the presentation. Okay, this is the background of the ISAS that we made is first is IT security is important because it protects all categories of the data from the theft and the damage. Where this is the categories, the example of the categories there are sensitive data, personally identifiable information, protected health information, governmental, industry information. And how about the without an IT security program? For example, in this presentation is an organization cannot defend itself against data breach campaign, make it an irresistible target for the cyber criminals. And the impact is the database but from the organization will lose and the theft will use about this data for any that you want. And then this is what is an IT security. IT security is the protection of information and especially the processing of information. And for example, it's like a guard or the security in the office. This person is this job person is to secure about the office, and then about this IT security, the IT security job is to protect about the data and information, but also the not only the data or information that IT security secure is, but also the physical data center and cloud service. And then the IT security is intended to prevent the manipulation of data and system by unauthorized third parties. And then this meaning is the IT security are protected about the client data from the damage or the threats. Okay, this is the type of IT security. The first is network security. Network security is used to prevent unauthorized or malicious users from getting inside your network. For example, it's like the hackers or the sabotage that he wants to get into the your network. Okay. The second one is internet security. Internet security is like internet security involves the protection of information that is sent and received in browser. For example, of the threat in internet is like, for example, oh, the client is accessing any link or net website that can be attacked or damaging your data because there is an malware. It's like an endpoint. Endpoint security is prevent you device from accessing malicious networks. And the before is internet is like the browser. And next, the cloud security is protection of data stored only via cloud computing platform from theft. Cloud security, for my opinion, is like the Google Drive that the any person can access both the Google Drive and store both the data. And the last is application security. With application security, that can be secure any application in the lab, for example laptop or PC. And for my opinion, in my thing is like the antivirus. Okay, this is the main discussion about the understanding cloud security. Cloud security is the delivery of the different service to the internet. Okay, these resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, database, networking, and software. And for example is the database, for example like the Google Drive that I said, and then for example maybe can GitHub and the others. Why the cloud security is more than like the local storage? Because the cloud database is any people can access the database with the internet and also in the web, the tools. And then the cloud computing or cloud security is more popular in the business for a number of reasons, including a cost saving and also the increased productivity, like that I said before. In because the client can access the database anytime and anywhere. Okay, that's enough from me, and my friend will continue this presentation. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Baikran Rosdi. I'm here to continue about my ISAS about cloud security. So this is about how does cloud security work. The diagram shows the following element of the service 4 point. The first one is directory synchronization allows user details from an LDAP directory to be synchronized with the cloud, enabling user to be identified and authenticated. This allows user and group level policy settings to be applied, as well as providing detailed user level reporting. The next one is the web traffic is directed to the cloud service from a private network and from roaming user connecting from outside their LAN. There are various methods to redirect the traffic, see in key concepts. The third one is authentication, filtering, and enforcement settings are applied by a policy, which determines which requests to allow or block, performs real-time content scanning, and applies data security filtering, helping to prevent an inadvertent or malicious data loss. The fourth one is when policy decisions have been applied, web requests are then forwarded to the origin server and content is served to the user browser. If content is blocked or security threats are detected, configurable notification page are shown informing the user of the reason why access to the resource is not allowed. The last one is some web requests can go directly to the origin server if the address is defined as a proxy bypass destination. The next one is the comparison with IT traditional security. So the cloud security the benefit is quickly scalable, efficient resource utilization, low upfront infrastructure usage-based cost, third-party data centers, and reduced time to market. And the traditional IT security is slow scaling, lower efficiency, high upfront cost, higher cost, in-house data centers, and longer time to market. So this is the advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is get your data wherever and whatever point. Cloud computing conveys quicker and more exact recoveries of application and information with less downtime. It is for most productive recoveries range. And the disadvantage is bandwidth issues. For perfect execution, client needs to arrange in like manner and not pack expansive sums of servers and capacity gadgets into a little set of information centers. Data transfer capacity issues for idealized execution. Client ought to plan moreover and not gather colossal amounts of server and capacity contrastation in a small course of action of server range. And this is the conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion is cloud security is a still rapidly evolving landscape and one that requires us to stay current or fall behind. Still, we must not be complacent, just as security professionals have done for age. We must continue to evolve our process, methods, and techniques in light of the opportunities that cloud security brings to our industries. And the suggestion, if you want a simple security, you can choose a cloud security. Okay, thank you. This is from us. My name is Bayu Ramsdi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.